Good morning dear students, back to the class. So today we will be continuing the lesson integrate exercise. The exercise with what I have told you yesterday, we will be learning or testing our brain. How much we have learned in previous lessons, how much we can remember. I hope you all are doing this one. And now we will start with the exercise sketch. Here I only will be telling you how to do the exercise and then you have to do, and I have given you PDF according to that. Today you have to complete your copy. So from each exercise 5 each sentences you have to write and you have to send me the pictures. So now today let us see, change the nouns in italics from the masculine or feminine gender. So if it is in a masculine gender, you have to make it in the feminine gender. If it is in the feminine gender, you have to make it in the masculine gender. Already these things we have learned in the previous lesson about the genders and you know very well. Now you have to and make other necessary changes too. If any other necessary changes like any other changes are there, we have to do that also. We are changing the verbs or changing the other sentences. So first one you see, the king was riding his horse. The king was riding his horse. So the king, what is the opposite of the king? What is that? The queen. So what is that? Queen. The queen running. So the queen was riding. His is there. His instead of his, what you have to write? The queen. Instead of his, what you will be writing? Her. Her horse is there. M-A-R-E. So this is the way you have to change. Wherever the necessary things are there to change, that things also you have to change. The next one you see, the boy went with his uncle. The girl, instead of the boy, what you will be writing? The girl. G-I-R. The girl went out with his is there. Went with his. With her. Instead of with his, what you will write? Her. With her. His is there. That you have to cut it. Here also. In the place of his, what you will write? Her. With her aunt. A-U-N-T. Aunt. Uncle is there with her aunt. So like that, the next one also, the lion killed a mouse. The lion killed a nun. So mouse and a nun will be right. The next, he has a bull and a horse. What will you write? She has a cow and a mom. The next, my nephew likes my daughter. What you will be writing? My niece likes my son is there. You have to write their daughter. So this is the way. The next one you see, pronouns you have to use the pronouns, correct pronouns you have to use. They have given in the already in the blank brackets they have given. You have to choose the correct one. So I invited my friends to tea. They played with dash toys. Mine or mine. So what you will be writing? My toys. With my toys. Mine or mine is there. Possessive pronoun it will come. So my toy. My toys. So the next one. The principal will present dash annual report. His or him. What we will write? His annual report. His. Next. Meera is a good girl. I like dash very much. I like she we will write or I like her. So we will be writing I like her. I like her. Let dash do it. Let them do it or let they do it. Let them do it. We have to say let them. Let them do it. So same thing you have to Shamila displayed dash jewelry, her jewelry. So her jewelry. The next dash hobby is mine painting. Dash hobby is painting. My hobby is capital M because first letter. My The next one, seventh one, if you see, the box containing chocolates is mine. So mine you have to write there because it belongs to you. So that's why we will be using the mine. So Mohit was speaking to I or me. So speaking to me. So the word me will be used here. The next, let dash do it. Let me do it. Let I do it. We will not say. Let me do it. We have. So there also you have to use the me. The next 10th one. This DVD has much information. I like dash very much. I like them or I like it because it is a single case. So we will be writing it. I like it. So this is the one about the pronoun. So the next one, matching they have given. So that matching you can do it. Just what you have to adjectives. So in one column adjectives is there. A is there, respective nouns under the column B. That then make sentence with each pair of the words. So we have to make. First one you see, good, adjective is there. What is the other side? Nouns are there. What is that? Good girl. Already they have there. Second one, wonderful village. Near the village we can write to. The next one, small building. Small building. Dangerous animal. Beautiful. What we will write? Beautiful. Fifth one. Beautiful woman. Sincere. What is it? Sixth one. So sincere friend. Next is short weapon. Courageous. What do you say? Courageous person. Courageous person. Then alert. Ninth one. Soldier. Blue sky. So this is the matching. The next one you see, this is you have to change it to the simple present tense. The word already they have given and you have to use the correct word. They have given one verb. That verb is correct or not. If it is not, if it is wrong, you have to use the correct word in that particular place given. My father dash in the morning. My father what? Prays in the morning. Pray they have given. P-R-A-Y. Pray they have given. Why we will be adding the yes? Because it is a third person. I have already told this one. When it is a third persons are there, third person singulars, if it is he, she, it or anybody's person name or anything, we will be adding the verb yes. So here my father. So father is the third person. So my father prays we will write. I dash my friends every day. What you will write? I meets we will write. No. I is the first person. So what is the same word we can use? I meet my friends. Meet is the same thing you can write. Sachin dash cricket superbly. So what? Sachin is the third person. Plays. Plays it. Plays. Yes, you have to add. Plays. The next one is spider dash is web. So what we will write? Build is this. So builds you have to. Yes, you have to add. Most of the animals dash their skin once in the year. So here you see most of the animals. So shade. So shades you will write of shade. Shades. Most of the animal shades their skin. The next, they dash vegetables from the mill. Say they buys is it. They buys you will not. Buy is this, so you can write buy also. They buy. B-U-I buy. They buy because they is a plural. So when the plural is there, we will not be adding the yes there. So you can write there. They buy vegetables from the market. Most villagers dash in suspicion. So believe. So believes me. Most villagers believe in believe. You believe slowly. So most suspects. Most villagers believes in superstitions. So most villagers believe deals. You can write yes. Our captain dash well. Our captain plays well. My friend is poet. He writes well. So he is the third person. You can write there yes, writes well. Same thing in the L1 also. So L1 is there. So that is just you have to change it to the past tense the words. So here they have given my mother kiss. In the brackets they have given that word you have to change it to the past tense. Kiss is the kissed. My mother kissed the baby, but he wept. So weep is the wept. So you have to use the past tense. I find. So find, instead of find what you will write found. Find means found. I found myself in difficulty. So I rang up my friend. I ring is there. So I rang up my friend. I leave my cell phone. I left my cell phone at home. So I made a call from the PCO. My students put. So put is the cut and put in three both present tense, past tense, future tense. You will be using the cut. So cut only. So same thing put only will be using. So same word you will not change. The students put up a beautiful show and the teacher in charge gave them a treat. So gave you have to write. The next one you see the patients take is there. Instead of take what you have to write took the medicines and slept peacefully. Sleep not, slept peacefully. She painted is there. So what past tense? She painted. Ed you have to add. She painted the picture beautifully, but her younger brother spoiled. Ed again spoiled it. Next, seventh one. Forger hanged is there. Hanged you have to write. Hanged. Ed you have to add the picture on the wall, but it fell. Fall is there. Fell down after some time. Eighth one. My father invest means invested. So they invested a huge amount in the business, but the son reneged. So ed you have to write reneged it. So this is about that one. So dear children, till here we have seen the simple present tense, past tense and adjectives. The next one is a pronouns, genders we have seen. The other one we will be seeing in the next lesson. Next class we will be discussing, because this in this so many exercises are there. I hope till here you have understood. Till where I have completed, till there. Till the L you can complete in your copy 5 each sentences from each exercise. Thank you dear.